Hello students, in this session we shall discuss chapter 3, that is atoms and molecules of class 9 science. So I am just showing the how to write the chemical formula and to find the molar mass or molecular mass of the compounds. So for this these tables are important, you need to memorize. See table 3.1, symbols for some elements. You need to recognize or you need to learn the symbols for the elements. And next, table 3.2, these are the atomic masses of few elements. This you need to learn, memorize. Then all tables are you must go through all the tables, but mainly, and the last one is the table 3.6. See names and symbols of some ions. Here some names and symbols of some ions, some commonly used ions are there. So you must memorize this table. Otherwise it will be difficult to write the chemical formula of the compounds. So first see here, first in your book, example formula for the hydrogen chloride. See, I am just explaining how to write the hydrogen chloride. This is the symbol for hydrogen. See, actually the elements mainly which take in the ionic form. See here hydrogen is there, see H positive, okay, and chlorine is there, chloride ion is chlorine negative. When hydrogen chloride, how hydrogen chloride is formed, it is the when combine hydrogen ion and the chloride ion, and then after exchanging their valence electrons, the hydrogen chloride is formed. You see H positive and chloride is Cl negative. So actually positive, that means 1 positive, and Cl negative, that means 1 negative. So while writing the formula, these, remember these the valence electrons, that means H positive means what, 1 positive, and Cl negative means 1 negative. So this one we shall write in the suffix of this chlorine, and this one we shall write in the suffix of hydrogen, just cross over the valences. So one we don't write, that's why it will be simply HCl. Chemical formula is simply HCl. But number 2, when we shall write the hydrogen sulfide, H2S. See H positive, but in case of S, you see sulfide ion is S2 negative. So S2 negative. Now see this 2 will come in the suffix of H, that is H2, and we shall write sulfur, and in the suffix of sulfur S we shall write the 1. So 1 we don't write, so this way it is H2S. So just crossing over the valences, we can write easily, we can write the chemical formulas. Now some question is there in your blue question. You see, write the formula for the sodium oxide, aluminum chloride. You can refer your book, sodium sulfide. So these are the chemical formula you can write after learning the symbols. Suppose, and after learning the symbols properly and using this valence crossing over mechanism. So first let me write number 1. I am writing the formula for sodium oxide. Okay, sodium oxide. So sodium is Na positive, and oxide is oxygen O2 negative. You can see the table. After crossing over Na2, this 2 will come in the suffix of Na, and O1. So this is Na2 simply, sodium oxide. This way you can write. Aluminium chloride, number 2. Aluminium chloride. Okay, so Al3 positive and Cl negative. So again crossover, this one will come in there. So 1 we don't write, and again we shall write Cl3. This 3 will we shall write here. So this way we can write chemical formula for aluminum chloride is AlCl3. So I hope you have got it. You can write the rest of the formula. Then In number 2 you are given chemical formula, you are to write the names of the compounds. See, first one is number 2, one is given is Al2SO4 thrice. So this is a aluminum and this is sulfate group. Okay, so it will be definitely aluminum sulfate. Okay, you have to write the spelling properly, so you learn it very carefully. So this way you can write number 2 will be calcium chloride and number 3 will be potassium sulfate. Rest you can try. Next, I am showing molecular mass or mole concept. Okay, so first we shall discuss the molecular mass or simply called molar mass. Okay, so molecules, you already you know the molecules of a compound. Say suppose water, this is H2O, this is a compound. So these H2 are the molecules. So molecular structure will be like this. So two hydrogen atoms are bonded with the oxygen this way. So we need to find the molecular mass with the help of atomic mass. So, remember there are two masses. One is atomic mass, another is molecular mass. I showed you the table. You can refer the table 3.2. You see here some atomic masses of few elements are given. So you need to use these atomic masses of elements to find the molecular mass. Alright, or molar mass. So in your question it is given. You see this is also called formula mass unit. So calculate the molecular masses of H2O2, Cl2, CO2 like this. So number 1 I am showing in the page number 40. See H2. See this I am trying. So first H2, molecular mass of H2. So H2, what would be the atomic mass of hydrogen? Hydrogen is the H is the symbol of hydrogen atom, you know this. So what is the atomic mass of hydrogen atom? It is 1, we know that. And when any number is in the suffix, it will be simply multiplied to the atomic mass. So 1 into 2, 2. Right, 2 unit. 2 formula you can write U or G, and whatever you can write. So U means formula mass unit. The formula mass unit can be calculated like this. Okay. Anyway, so oxygen you can write chlorine. I am showing you C2H6. You see. So carbon is 12. Atomic mass of carbon is 12, and it is in suffix it is 2. So it will be 2 will be multiplied plus. When we move to the next atom, we shall put the plus sign. We shall add this. Actually, this is this atomic mass of this, molecular mass of this we can find plus this. The hydrogen is 1, and in the suffix it is 6. So this way you can calculate. Now here it is 24 and 6, so it is 30. Alright, this way you can write. Now some number 2, you see some formula mass. We need to calculate the formula mass of zinc oxide, sodium oxide, and potassium carbonate. See, if any element is given out of the table 3.2, I mean if any element is given in your question which is not in this table 3.2, then you will be given them atomic mass for the calculation. Okay, so you can, as you can see here, you have to find the zinc oxide molecular mass of, or formula mass unit masses of zinc oxide, sodium oxide, K2CO, potassium carbonate. This so all the elements atomic masses are given. So I am showing you K2CO3. This is molecular mass and formula unit mass is same. So K, potassium. What would be the atomic mass of potassium? See, here it is given. It is 39. 39 into 2, as 2 is in the suffix, plus carbon is 12. Okay, plus oxygen is 16 into 3. See, carbon and oxygen, it is given in the table 3.2. Now calculate. (138 unit). So this way you can find the for molecular mass or formula unit mass or molar mass. All right, thank you.